Yeah, here we have a Harig 6-inch by 18-inch surface grinder. This is the manual model. It's a hand feed. Just going to show you all the functions here. Everything really works very well on this machine. It's unused. It's in really good condition. It includes a Analam Wizard 311 2-axis DRO, and this covers the Y-axis. Okay, you turn this hand wheel to make the grinding wheel assembly go up and down. As you can see, this works. And this is a 16-inch linear encoder. Then we have a 10-inch linear encoder down here for the Z-axis. Okay, so as we move this hand wheel down here, okay, so we have it powered up so you can watch it and hear it run. We pulled out the E-stop on it, and we just hit the spindle switch here, and the unit turns on. Now, this machine is a 208, 240, or 480 volt, and you can change the voltages in here by changing out some of the set screws right here and the wires. We currently have it on 208 volt. Like I said, it's a very nice machine. It's very clean. It's got maybe a little bit of surface dust on it from sitting in a warehouse. We had it covered up with plastic. It also includes some surface cutting oil right here, a little box right here. There's some empty compartments under the machine right here. It just pulls off with a couple screws. Same with this right here. A little surface rust here, not a big deal there. Also, this cap here, we didn't screw it on here, but that's for your screw for your Y-axis. It's got adjustable stops on here. This will ship on its original factory pallet. And as we said, it's a very nice machine, very clean, in excellent condition. So there you have it. The Harig Model 618 hand feed surface grinder, made by Bridgport. And we thank you for looking at our product.